In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make AI trading strategies on TradingView using the new AI backtesting features. If you're looking to enhance your trading strategies with some cutting-edge technology, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to integrate AI into your trading decisions, potentially boosting your performance and efficiency. To get started, you'll first need to visit LuxAlgo's website. LuxAlgo is a powerful tool designed to help traders by providing advanced technical indicators. Once there, you'll want to dive into their AI capabilities. LuxAlgo has developed innovative solutions that can analyze vast amounts of market data, offering insights that can be vital for making informed trading decisions. Next, click on the AI chat feature. This is where the magic of LuxAlgo's AI truly unfolds. The AI chat is not just a chatbot, it's a sophisticated engine that understands the intricacies of trading, allowing you to query and refine your strategies with AI-driven insights. By interacting with it, you'll gain access to tailored analyses and recommendations, which can help you develop or tweak your existing trading strategies. To fully utilize these AI backtesting features, upgrading your plan is necessary. LuxAlgo offers different subscription tiers, and certain features, including the advanced AI capabilities, are exclusive to the higher tier plans. While this might entail an additional cost, the investment could be worthwhile if you're serious about leveraging AI to enhance your trading strategies. Upgrading provides access to more complex algorithmic tools and deeper insights than those available on a basic plan. Once you've upgraded, you're ready to explore the new AI backtesting features. These features offer an excellent opportunity to evaluate the potential success of your trading strategies by simulating how they would perform based on historical market data. It allows you to see the strengths and weaknesses of different approaches, enabling you to refine and optimize them before applying them in live markets. Backtesting provides the reassurance that your strategies are rigorously tested, giving you more confidence in your trading decisions. Additionally, LuxAlgo's tools can blend seamlessly with TradingView, one of the most popular platforms for charting and trading strategy analysis. Together, they create a robust ecosystem where you can visualize your strategies and outcomes vividly, enabling a deeper understanding of the market dynamics at play. Always remember that while technology can significantly enhance your trading, it doesn't eliminate risk entirely. Always continue learning, adapting, and using these tools to make informed decisions. By integrating AI with your trading strategies on TradingView, you're equipping yourself with a powerful ally in the quest for financial markets success. Enjoy the journey of exploring these new capabilities and watch how they can transform your trading experience.